Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to do just kind of a quick review for you guys on the Fuji Semi-PRO 2 sprayer. I hadn't seen too many reviews on it, so I thought I'd just kind of give you guys my 2 cents. It's kind of based off my experience with it and let you know what I thought about it. I should mention real quick too, I actually found a pretty good deal on this. I'll put a link in that description below so you can check that out if you're interested in picking one up for yourself at a good price. So, long story short, I guess if you want the short version of this review, who is this for? In my opinion, if you're looking for the best bang for your buck paint sprayer system out there, this is the one to get, hands down. Nothing really even comes close in terms of quality for the money. There are cheaper systems out there. There are much more expensive systems out there. But overall, bang for the buck, value, this is the one to get. And I'll talk a little bit more about why I think that. One, and first and foremost, is being the quality of the paint job you get from this. This is not, it's marketed towards consumers as far as like price goes, but this is a professional system. They really shouldn't call it semi-pro. They should just call it pro, because this is a professional spray gun. You could easily use this if you're a professional painter, no problem. And I actually know a few guys that are professional painters that do use this particular system. It's very easy to use. Don't feel like you're going to be intimidated by it or screw it up or anything like that. It's extremely easy to use. It's extremely easy to clean, and it's built like an absolute tank. That's the other nice thing about this system. It will last you a really, really long time. Now, I should mention too, I'm not being paid by Fuji. This isn't a sponsored video or anything like this. It's just purely my opinion. So I just thought I'd mention that too, if it sounds like I like this thing too much, but I really do like this system a lot. So sometimes you come across products that are a good value and they work best in their class. It's something kind of rare, but this is one of those items. It's a great deal, and it's also a really great system. So the nice thing about this system too is it's powerful enough where you don't need to thin the paint at all. You can buy standard paint, 5-gallon buckets straight from Lowe's, Home Depot, Sherwin-Williams, whatever you want to use. Thick, heavy-duty paint does not need to be thinned at all. It's that powerful where you don't have to do that. A lot of these people don't realize that if you get these cheap spray guns, in the consumer range, like $100, $200 spray guns, you really have to thin the paint down a lot. And number one, you can screw up your paint doing that. It doesn't look as good. Second of all, you're going to have to do multiple coats. So it's like this can do one coat and done. So you're going to save so much time with this gun versus like your Wagner style paint sprayers that are cheaper. Those are really kind of garbage. They break all the time, and you're going to have to thin your paint and do multiple coats. So it's going to end up taking you twice as long when just doing this one, and time is money really. But the nice thing about this too is, like I said, you can have this spray gun for the rest of your life. It'll work if you clean it up properly, which it is very easy to clean. I should mention too, they kind of designed it very well so you can clean it out easily and quickly. But yeah, like I said, if you're looking for a quality spray gun that's going to last you a long time, get really good results out of, this is the one to get. Don't be intimidated by it if you're new to this or never used a sprayer before. It is not hard to use at all. Follow the instructions. It's super simple. Anyway, if you have any more questions on it, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.